Hello friends, myself Pandya Bhavina, working as a lecturer in BVPIT Umrak, Bardoli. In this lecture, we will learn about properties of materials and application of building materials. Building materials have an important role to play in this modern age of technology. Although their most important use is in construction activities, no field of engineering is conceivable without their use. Also, the building materials industry is an important contributor in our national economy as its output govern rate and the quality of construction work. Types of material property: physical property, mechanical property, and chemical property. Physical property: density, bulk density, porosity, void ratio, hygroscopicity, water absorption, water permeability, weathering resistance, thermal conductivity, thermal resistivity, durability, frost resistance, fire resistance. Density: mass per unit volume of material is called density. Bulk density: mass per unit volume of material is in its its natural state with porous and voids is called bulk density. Porosity: the ratio of volume of voids to volume of specimen is called porosity. Hygroscopicity: property of a material to absorb water vapor from air is known as hygroscopicity. Water absorption: the ability of the material to absorb and retain water is called water absorption. Permeability: the capacity of material to allow the water to penetrate under pressure is called permeability. Thermal conductivity or heat conductivity: the ability of material to conduct heat is called heat conductivity. Capacity to resist weather is called weather resistivity. Capacity to resist heat is called thermal resistivity. Fire resistance: the ability of material to resist the action of high temperature without any appreciable deformation and sustainable loss of strength is called fire resistance. Durability: the ability of material to resist the combined effect of atmospheric and other factors is called durability. Frost resistance: the ability of water saturated material to endure repeated freezing and thawing with considerable decrease of mechanical strength is called frost resistance. Mechanical property: strength, elasticity, plasticity, brittleness, ductility, hardness, abrasion, creep, fatigue, toughness, soundness. Strength: the capacity of material to withstand load is called strength. Elasticity: on a material, when external load is applied, it undergoes deformation, and on removed of the load, it returns to its original shape. This property of material is known as elasticity of material. Such a material is called elastic material. Plasticity: if a material does not regain its original shape on the removal of the external load is called a plastic material. Ductility. If a material can undergo a considerable deformation without rupture can be drawn into wires, it is called a ductile material. Brittleness. If a material cannot undergo any deformation when some external forces act on it and it fails by rupture, is called a brittle material. Hardness. Resistance of material to abrasion, indentation, wear and scratches is called hardness. Creep. Increase in strain under sustained load is known as creep. Fatigue strength. The maximum stress which a material can withstand under repeated stress cycles without fracture is called fatigue strength. Toughness. Resistance to impact or shock loading is called toughness. This is mechanical properties. Chemical properties. Materials composition, acid and basic, state, solid, liquid and gases. These three properties are chemical properties. Factors affecting selection of materials. Quality, availability, durability, strength, workability, appearance, transportation, climate, modern technology, economy, speed of construction. These factors are affecting selection of material. First of quality. Material should possess the required quality. Selection of the best material for ordinary job may prove uneconomical. Hence, material of the required quality is appropriate one. Second, availability. Material selected should be always available as and when required. Purchase of material is normally done stage-wise to avoid huge amount of investment and the problems of safe storage of material. Third, durability. The life of material selected should never be less than the life of the component of the structure. Material should be sufficiently strong to resist the forces expected. For strength, as stated earlier, the material need not be strongest one, but of course it should be resistive to safely perform its functions. Fifth, workability. Material should be such that it can be brought to the required shape and size with minimum efforts and less skills. Appearance. Material exposed to the vision should have good appearance and proper color. Transportation. Locally available material save transportation, packing and handling changes. No breakage during transportation. Climate. Material should suit with the climate conditions. Modern technology. Technology is fast advancing. Use of new material proves to be economical in place of old one. Speed of construction. Selection should be made considering case and repealing exception. Economy. Cost of material should not be more than the other comparative alternative materials. This is the factors. List of building materials: clay, cement, sand, aggregate, steel, plastic, copper, rubber, fly ash, glass, bitumen, stone, wood, lime, aluminum, RCC, paints, insulating material, asbestos, tiles, mortar. This material will be used in construction. Now test. Material should be tested. Bricks, stone, lime, cement, concrete. It should be tested in field and laboratory also. In bricks, general qualities, dimensions, efflorescence, water absorption, strength and rappage. In stone, acid, attrition, crushing, freezing, thawing, hardness, impact water absorption. In lime, physical property, acid, heat, bold, test on limestone. In cement, fineness test, setting time test, compressive strength test, soundness test, heat of hydration test, tensile strength and consistency. In concrete, grading of aggregate, water cement ratio, workability, slump, etc. Thank you very much.